And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:43 on this Wednesday morning. We're waking up to a lot of clouds overhead, and you also notice a haze in the air, and that's still the smoke from the agricultural burning from our south. And it's going to continue today, bringing our air quality down to moderate again, or staying at moderate levels because of that southerly wind that we have in place. Now, temperatures are very warm outside this morning. The warmest spot on the map is Edinburg, sitting at 82, 81 in McAllen, as well as Brownsville, to 80 in Weslaco, Raymondville, Port Isabel. Two spots at 79 degrees this morning. That's Rio Grande City and Harlingen. Now, dew point values are going to remain high in the low 70s, so it'll feel very sticky, especially as the day goes on. Looking at the winds, however, watch this. We'll put the clock in motion starting at 6. Notice that the only areas in the yellow and green category are in the lower valley and along the coast this morning. The upper valley, mid to upper valley, does look like we'll get a break from the gusty winds briefly before they start to pick up again by this evening. Now, the coast, however, will stay pretty gusty all afternoon long, and then overnight still remaining breezy along the coast and in the lower valley, while the rest of the valley will kind of see a decline in the winds, but they're going to pick right back up tomorrow afternoon. So here's the next 12 hours for the lower valley, everyone east of Weslaco. It'll take a while for us to break out from behind those clouds, so we can start to see maybe a little bit of sunshine. Temperature-wise, you'll rise to the low 90s today and maybe even closer to the mid 90s in Brownsville, while along the coast you'll stay in the mid 80s. Now, for the next 12 hours in the upper valley, everyone west of Weslaco, pretty much the same scenario, and I think the clouds may break a little bit more to allow for partly sunny skies. And look at your temperature trend. It'll go up from 81 degrees this morning to 93 by noon. Check out the second half of the day, getting close to that triple-digit mark. So yeah, very hot day, especially in the mid to upper valley. Here's a setup across Texas. We have the front well to our north, and you see all the stormy weather kind of fizzling out at this hour over northeastern Texas, but still it produced quite a bit of very nasty weather overnight and late yesterday afternoon. This front is going to continue to fall apart. We're going to stay breezy, warm and humid here in the valley. Looking at 4 o'clock this afternoon until we go into Friday, not much changes. So we'll stay above average, very breezy each afternoon, and with the clouds starting out thick in the morning and kind of fizzling out by the afternoon with just a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine. Here comes the next front. It's just exiting the Panhandle early Friday morning at 8 o'clock, and then here it comes. It starts to get closer and closer by Saturday evening. It's about halfway through the state. We could see maybe an isolated shower Saturday, but your better chances for rain are going to be Sunday, and some of those showers could turn into a thunderstorm, just given how much energy associated with this storm or this front that we'll actually get. Now, this particular model is keeping the front just a little bit to our north, and it could come into the valley before it fizzles out, or there's a lot of discrepancies at this point in time. For now, showers and thunderstorms 30 to 40% on Sunday, and we're going to continue that into Monday. At the coast, there will be a small craft advisory for the Bay and the Gulf through this morning. Very rough out there on the Bay. Seas will average 5 to 8 and possibly even up to 9 feet the farther offshore you go. Upper 90s for the upper valley, 99 in McAllen and Rio Grande City, 97 in Edinburg today, 96 for Weslaco, Raymondville and Harlingen, to 94 in Brownsville, 84 if you're at the coast. Remember, it's going to be breezy out there. Breezy, hot and humid for the next several days until at least the first half of the weekend. Okay, we'll be at 95, but then after that, the winds will shift a little bit more. We'll have some rain chances. Temperatures will be closer to around average, 92 to 90 as we start next week. We'll keep an isolated shower in the forecast through Tuesday. Overnight lows mid to upper 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5.